Think of a faraway place anywhere in Jamaica. We can get there. Islandwide Express can get as far as you need. We are ready to face the challenges of the new era. The growth of our Jamaican community is our goal. We are leaders in the national logistics market. We give hassle-free and seamless experience. We can reach the furthermost places in Jamaica, opening a pathway for the important delivery of all kinds of goods. Our clients' needs are our concerns, no matter if it's a small token or a grand gesture. Our team of professionals shares the same principle to look after every detail, to offer quality and confidence in every step we take in the flexible delivery. Our goal is that you enjoy the taste of your first cup of coffee of the day without noticing we are behind it. Our experience in delivering straight to your doorstep in Jamaica places us as a reference in the national and international market. Today we have a logistics platform at strategic points in the United States. This US address will allow you to shop online with any US retailer. Our aim is to generate movements by land, sea, and air. Intermodality is a way of life. It is our way of promoting the progress of our Jamaican community whenever it is needed. Islandwide Express, carrying a piece of your heart all the way from the US to beautiful Jamaica.